Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today guys I am participating in an open invite collaboration. And let me get my notes. As this collaboration is entitled Something for All Seasons at Spring Clean with Me. So this collaboration is hosted by Christy at Inspired Living with Christy and Sherry at Pretty Simple Sherry. Now, guys, they asked us to do a simple thing, do a spring clean like everybody's doing for spring. But they asked us to give some tips or tricks or hacks that we do to clean. Well, I gave a few. So if you're interested in seeing what area I cleaned and the hacks that I have that I think that are pretty normal, stick around, guys. Okay, guys, here's my bathroom before the clean. Yes, it's nasty. Yes, it's dirty. Sink is nasty. Yeah, okay, yeah. Mirror. I haven't been able to clean since before I hurt my hand. So here's what it looks like. Now I want to come in before my daughter got started. Here is the bathtub. Here's the shower curtain that's up with the green or bluish looking shower hooks. This set matched the old bedroom suit. And so my daughter will start cleaning in here and we will redecorate this bathroom. And the tips I'm going to give you guys is this. Before you clean your toilet, always try to spray it down with bleach first and let that sit while you clean the rest of the bathroom. It always makes it come out brighter to me. And then around, as you guys know, around the sink, you use an old toothbrush around the faucets. Those are the only real tips I have for you guys to use to clean the bathroom. But I'm going to let my daughter get started, and I'll be back when it's all finished. Okay, guys, I'm taking you into the new master bath, which is mine. Everything's clean. I have my new stuff up. I have my touch of bling. Now, I went to IKEA, guys, to get me some more of these. They're out, and they're out of stock. So, this will have to stay here until I get my new box, whenever they come back in stock. But this one is face, this is body, face, body, feet, and then I'm getting a small one here for spa. It's because I have my salts and bath buds and all that up here. Now here is I have my white towels up. And then my daughter put up my shower curtain for me. So my bathroom has been scrubbed and cleaned. Tub is clean. She did it all for her mother. Gotta love her. So here is the master bath. I'm liking it. I am liking it. So guys, I'm happy with the updated stuff, especially the things on the sink. Glad I found those the other day at Ross on clearance. Here it is. It's finished. Bling, all white. And then the champagne on the carpet. So guys, if you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up. Comment and share on my videos. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then guys, click save. and you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed down below on the screen, and as well as in the description box below. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie in my new white and champagne bathroom, saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.